Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear next to clipboard. Then click on voice typing and select this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When it's ready, go back to your keyboard. Now, to start typing, click on the microphone icon. And if you never used it before, choose while using the app in the pop-up. When you're done, tap on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!